Today, it's time for one of my most favourite apps. Let's order Uber Eats. Hi everyone, and welcome to iPhones for Grown-Ups. Today, we're going to visit the Uber Eats app, teach you how to use it, and give you a live demo of the entire ordering and delivery process. At the end of this, you'll be able to peruse the menus of your local restaurants and cafes, place an order, and get your food delivered to wherever you are. That includes burgers by the beach, pizza in the park, or a lazy afternoon without cooking. Alright, let's go.
Let's go to Uber Eats. Tap on the Uber Eats icon and let's order. I'm going to be very healthy today and get McDonald's. So I'm going to open up Uber Eats and it will show all the available restaurants and cafes in my local area. If you have used Uber Eats before, it will first show you your favorite places to order from. So I'm going to click on McDonald's and here we go. We're going to have a scroll down and see what I feel like. I think I feel like a cheeseburger. So I'm going to go to beef by tapping up here. And as I scroll down this list, it's telling me I've ordered a Big Mac before. Me? Never. Okay, so I'm going to get a double cheeseburger because my sister says they're great. Once you select your food item, Uber Eats asks you to complete different sections to modify your order. With Macca's, this step is required, whereas in some other restaurants, you can skip this step. So here you have to choose an option from each section. And as you can see here, it says required, so you must make a selection or you won't be able to move to the next step. So I'm going to have a large Coke, don't tell anyone, fries, and then select Coke. Yum. There, so as you can see, this button here has now gone green, which means I can add my order to the shopping cart. If it wasn't green, that would mean there was a compulsory section I hadn't yet completed. If I want to remove something I don't want, I can do so here, for example, no onion, or I can ask for something extra, such as extra cheese, extra sauce, and so on. I don't need to modify my order, so I will simply click Add to Cart. Now I'm going to have a look at the desserts. I will go up to the top bar here and scroll across until I see desserts. Here we go, McFlurry, my favourite. What else is there? Ooh, chocolate chip hot cross buns, yum. I think I'm going to get a McFlurry because I'm sure you all really need a demo of this. And I'm going to add extra Oreos and M&Ms with caramel topping because I'm a big pig. Add that to the cart. Now that's all I want, so I'm going to go to View Cart. The app is now offering me some suggestions. I say no thanks. And now I'm going to check my addresses in there correctly up here. Look at the delivery time here. Check the order. And check that's the correct credit card number there. And then I'll click Place Order. So now it's thinking, it's checking the restaurant is still making orders, checking my payment has gone through, and when it has done that, it will proceed with the order. Alright, and done. You can use Uber Eats to bring food to you no matter what your location. You simply change the delivery address in the initial ordering screen and away you go. The restaurants will obviously change to those in your new location, but nothing else changes. The one thing to watch out for here, though, is to ensure you do change your address back when you get home and use Uber Eats again. Because once an order has been dispatched to an address, it is near impossible to change the delivery. You may get a refund for your first offence, but you won't get your food and you'll need to reorder. So, if you get Uber Eats out one night to use it and the restaurants are all different, that should be a red flag that you need to change your delivery address back to your home address. Now, if we want to see what's happening with the order, we simply tap Track Order. Alright, so if you look at the screen here, you can see McDonald's is wrapping up my order, and now you can see the delivery driver is Miss Camilla in her white Toyota Corolla with this license plate number. Here is a picture of her, and as you can see, she's now on her way to get my meal. Once she gets to the restaurant and picks up my order, this screen will change and give me a time frame as to how long it's going to take her to get to my house. So we will check back shortly. Okay, now you can see here it says Camilla is heading your way and she's 4 minutes away. If you move spots on the map and lose her car, you just tap this little icon here and that will bring it back to her location. The great thing about Uber and Uber Eats is that you can track them in real time using the app, so you know when they're just about to pull up outside. So there is no waiting around on the street, no wondering where they are. You just come to the app and voila, you can see their exact location. Alright, Camilla is now 1 minute away and approaching my destination. We can zoom in on her by just putting our fingers on the screen and spreading them apart a little. And there she goes, driving along in her little Corolla. Occasionally the app will glitch and their location will be off just a little bit and it will look like they're stuck somewhere, but then the app catches up and rights itself. If you watch it as she approaches my location, the app will zoom in and show you precisely where she is. It says she's coming through that roundabout there, which is where all Uber drivers seem to get lost. And now it will tell me any minute to go and meet her outside. Oh, there it is. Time to meet Camilla outside. So I'm going to go and do that and get my food. So that is Uber Eats, and as you can see, it is simple to use and a very well thought out, efficient and extremely useful and delicious app.